Hi there, this is Georgiana with Follow-Up Results, and this is a quick video to show you how easy it is for you to select and submit your listings to be included in your newsletter each month. Specifically, I'm going to cover when you're using links from your MLS. Some of you send us individual emails with one link in each email. Some of you combine the different links and send them all to us in one email. I'm going to show you how to get those links from your MLS to our new submission form. If you have been sending the email link to us directly, what you'll want to start doing now is send that email to yourself. It would be an email of the listing from your MLS that you would typically want to send to a prospective buyer. Here's an example of an email I received from one of our clients where they sent me the direct link to their listing. Instead of sending it to me, you'll send it to yourself. When you click on the link from the email that you sent yourself, it'll open up in another browser, and specifically this URL is what you will copy and paste directly into our submission form. When you open the submission form link, you'll fill out the typical information of your email address and your name, and directly below that is where you'll insert by copying and pasting the URLs from your listings. If you're using our full form, that's where you'll select articles, add content, include pictures, and all that stuff. But if you're a client that has us select the articles and you just want to provide the listings, we do have a shorter version that is just the listing format. And that way it can be quick and simple. You could request that we send that to you directly and make that process shorter. As you can see, I've added my email address and my name. I've gone over to the other browser window that I have open and copied the URL, which I'm now going to paste here. And if I have several listings, because you can include up to 6, I'll open each one of them from the emails that I sent myself and go over into the browser windows and copy and paste each one into this form. Once I've included my listings, I scroll to the bottom. I still have an opportunity to enter any specific notes about the listings if I want to put headings on them or highlight some feature in it. And I can also import pictures if it's maybe a new listing and it's not on the MLS yet. Then I hit the submit button and I've got my listings sent over to Follow-Up Results. So, as a quick review, if you use MLS listings to be included into your newsletter, you're going to select the listing from your MLS and send yourself the email that you would typically send to a prospective buyer. When you receive that email, you'll click on the listing link that says click to view listings. That will open up in a browser window. You'll copy and paste that URL link to that specific listing directly into our submission form. You can add up to 6 listings. You can include custom notes and maybe import some images of the listing if you'd like, and you submit the form and you're done. We really do appreciate when you work with us in our new processes as we continue to streamline and become more efficient in serving you. So some of the benefits of using the form and sending in your listings this way is that it streamlines the process of sending in those listings. It provides us with just one location to view and save all of your content. It removes the possibility of missing a listing by not getting your email. And you also receive a confirmation email so that you know we got your form. Thanks for working with us on this process.